Welcome back to another Crude Loot video, y'all. Today, we're going to be doing something that I should have done a long time ago. Oops. Today, we're going to be fixing this crack in this windshield, which has been here for a little over a year now. And winter's coming and I don't want it to crack and freeze. Crack when it freezes outside, because it'll be cold and there might be water in it. So what we did was we went to AutoZone and purchased a Permatex windshield repair kit. It was like $17 with tax. Basically in this kit it comes with everything you need. It'll come with a razor blade, the little 3M double-sided tape that'll hold the little mounting plate on. It'll come with the alcohol pad. It'll come with a little screen on there, little push pin to clean the crack out, a syringe, and the resin. All this is important. Basically, I read the directions on the kit. It makes it a little over complicated. So what we'll be doing is I'll just show y'all how to do it, and then we'll go from there. Basically, what you want to do, according to the instructions, is take your push pin and clean the crack out of any glass that might be in there. We're going to take our alcohol prep pad. We're going to open it up. Basically what we're going to do with this prep pad is we're going to clean the windshield. So right on top of the crack, make sure there's nothing left. All of it's nice and clean. Okay, now that the sticker is peeled off, you'll be left with this. And we're going to take it, we're going to put it right over the crack. Just like so. And then we're supposed to make sure that there's no air bubbles in it at all. So we'll just be pushing it around, making sure there's nothing left in there, pushing it all over the place. We also have to ensure that it has a great stick. And one great way to make sure that there's no air left in it is to come over here and get inside the car and look at it. By the looks of it, there is one tiny air bubble right here, and we'll just knock it out. And then we'll be done with that step. Just basically push it right out. Make sure there's nothing left in there. Once that's been pushed out, what we're gonna do is we're gonna come over here and peel the top off, little top green sticker. Now that's peeled, what we'll do is we'll come over here to this thing. Make sure it's nice and clean. There's no dirt, no dust, no water. And basically you'll just align the top of this thing to the top of that thing and make sure that the seal around it is perfect and there's no air in it either. So just like that, we'll come down on it. Just push it down. Oh shit, I just made the crack worse by pushing down on it. I don't know if y'all can see. Well, shit. Don't push too hard. That's a lesson learned. Hopefully the kit will fix that mistake. Well, now what we're going to do, according to the kit, is we're going to take the resin, we're going to pop the cap off. It says not to do it towards yourself or painted surfaces, so I'm going to put the camera down just so I can do it easily without making a mistake. And it says it wants it to be open by 1/8 of an inch, and you're going to push only about roughly about like a 3/4 of the package in there. So what you'll do is you'll come back here and you will come over here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut 1/8 of the tip off, just like that. Not too much, and we're gonna push about 3/4 of the resin inside the top of the thing. Just like that. Then what we'll do is we'll take our syringe that we were provided by the kit, and we're gonna push it in here. I'm gonna have to put the camera down for this one because it's gonna require 2 hands. Going to very firmly hold it down with our hand on one side, and then we'll pull the syringe back, just like so, and we'll start seeing air bubbles come down. And while we're doing that, we're just gonna tap around the windshield very lightly, not too hard. Just to get the air bubbles out of there. And what we'll do is we'll go inside and look at it, see what it's doing. By the looks of it, there's like little air bubbles coming out. I don't know if I can get the camera to focus on that too well. But yeah, there's little air bubbles coming out of it. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna tap around the area to help it out a little more, and hopefully it'll seal everything in. Don't think I should have put pressure like the kit said on the window. I think that made it a little worse. What we're gonna do now is let it sit for 10 minutes. That's what the instructions say, so we'll just let it chill, and then from there we'll come back after 10 minutes and we'll look at it. I'm back, y'all. At this point I've also used the 3M kit, which I found a lot better than the Permatex kit. This right here is Vaseline. I used it so that I can move the suction cups around a lot easily. As you can see right here, it's moving. So there's Vaseline here to help me move it across the cracks that the Permatex system made with its unclear instructions. However, though, the 3M did give me really nice clear instructions, pictures and all. At this point, do I recommend either of them? No. They were both equally as bad, and they were both very I don't know how to say it. I'm not a fan of them. You might as well just change your whole windshield if you get a rock chip in there. I watched some YouTube videos. I did what they said. It did take the major rock chip right there in the middle out right here. But all it did was make one here and one here a big crack. The rock chip was less noticeable, to be honest. I don't know how this is gonna be. If this is gonna be more noticeable or not. By the looks of it, it's just two little lines. So hopefully it'll be less noticeable. But I am going to start looking for windshield replacements, and seeing how much they actually cost to change out on one of these, and how much a professional would charge to come and fix it. Regardless, the windshield does have to be replaced. This little edging right here is coming up, and this is not the original windshield either. If it was the original, it'd say Honda on it. Let me see if I can find a sticker on here that might say Honda, so y'all can see what it looks like. Like this right here. This right here says Timberlight Honda on it. That's the original back window, but the windshield in the front has been cracked before, or somebody's changed it out before. Probably did the same thing I did, and just ended up in the same problem I have. So basically, by the looks of it, I'm going to be needing a new windshield soon. Well, I'm back, you guys. This is where the crack was. I don't know if y'all can see it anymore. There's a little dot right here if the camera will focus on it. Let me zoom in a little bit. Camera's not doing it justice. Let me find my finger. Right there's a little dot. It's very, very noticeable, very unnoticeable. I'll probably just end up putting a circle over it in the editor if I can. But there is a line going right there. Y'all can see that, and then there's a line going this way. Maybe if I go on the interior side, y'all can see it. But I don't recommend any of these products. If you got a crack, just deal with it. Let me see right here. Oh yeah, that's way better. Y'all can see that a lot more. Get the camera to focus on my hand. Right there. That's the crack from here to here, here to here, and then there's the dot. It used to be small where that dot was, but then it expanded. If you're gonna do it, take it to a professional. If a professional quotes you too much or just seems a little too high, check and see how much a windshield costs. That'll probably be your best bet. I know this definitely was not worth it. I don't think I am ever going to do any windshield crack repairs or chip repairs anymore, because of how much worse it got. Now, on the outside, you can't feel anything except for that little dot where it was, which is great, I guess. which is great, I guess, but there's very little I can do about it. All in all, y'all, today we attempted to fix the windshield. We used Permatex and 3M. 3M came with more glass resin, just so y'all know that. In my opinion, the 3M had better instructions. The Permatex has a video with Chris Fix. If you want to watch that, you can. But do I recommend either of them? No. I wasn't happy with it. I'm not satisfied with it. I'd probably be. It would be better to buy a new windshield and have it replaced instead of using the $40, wasting the $40 on these two products. I could have saved the $40 and added maybe $100, $200 more to it to get a professional to come here and replace the windshield for me. But it is what it is. You live and you learn. I guess this is Crude Loot here, and thank you for watching.